Hello guys, welcome back to Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you delete a wallet into your Trust wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to perform this action, you just simply have to open your Trust wallet and unlock it at very first. And after that, it will open your current wallet into here. Now, I have this only wallet which is named main wallet 1. Now, in order to delete this one, I'll tap into the name of this wallet and then this multi-coin wallets will appear. Just simply select wallet which you would like to delete and tap to this 3 bars beside that wallet. And after that, it will give you this page. Now you can delete this wallet from here. In order to do that, tap to this dustbin icon into the top right corner, and from there you will get the option of delete. Tap to delete and your main wallet will successfully be deleted. Tap to proceed anyway and enter your biometric or PIN code. This way you can very easily delete your wallet into Trust. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update.